tell us on a steam. Girl, you better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook.
Hey chefs, and welcome back to another episode of Joe Cooks. For those who haven't been here before, welcome. And for those who have been here before, wagwan. Today we'll be making some roasted jerk chicken with some vegetables, some stuffed vegetables at that. All right, chefs, let's get started. All right, chef, so for your chicken, you're going to place it in a bowl or container of water, cold water, and add in your cup to 2 cups of vinegar. Go ahead and also add in about half of a lime and just let that sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. Alrighty, chef, so now you're gonna just go ahead and chop up all your vegetables. So these are your sweet peppers, and you're also gonna chop up your plantain. All right, chef, so now that you are finished chopping up all your vegetables and your chicken is nice and clean, you're gonna go ahead and wash those hands, wash them very thoroughly, and go ahead and season up your chicken. And you're gonna use about 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning. You can use any jerk seasoning of your choice. I use my homemade jerk seasoning. Usually I love, you guys already know, I love to use my Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, but I used my own homemade jerk seasoning for this whole chicken. All right, chef, so now that your chicken is all nice and seasoned, we're gonna go ahead and stuff inside and outside of your chicken. Get all the broccoli in there, all the carrots in there, get that plantain in there, the peppers in there, and just make sure everything is nice and stuffed. All right, chef, so for your vegetables, you're just gonna add some natural seasoning. So you're gonna add about 12 pimento berries, 6 pieces of thyme, and about 1 tablespoon of rosemary. And after we're finished adding all our ingredients, we're just gonna go ahead and bake our chicken. All right, chef, so as you can see, the chicken and the vegetables is coming along quite nicely. So seeing that it's about halfway cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my pineapples and just garnish that on top and let those juices and acidity really soak into the chicken and in those vegetables. All right, chef, so by the time you add on your pineapples, this is how it should look. So we're just gonna literally let that roast for about for an extra 30 to 45 minutes until it's finished. Alright, chef, so once you're finished your jerk roast chicken, this will be the final results. You have your nice roasted pineapples in there, you have your peppers, your carrots, your broccoli, your seasoning, your plantain. Chefs, I hope this was a great help for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next video. Alright, chefs. Ciao.
Damn, Joe, this food is good. Can I have some more?